Hi guys, good morning. First, I would like to let you know that how I lost 4 to 6 points in put buying in today's market. So let me begin. Market opened gap up and it started to come down. I had a very good opportunity in this candle to entry. But here I did not enter because this was the range of this candle was high, that is almost 40 points, and even in this candle also the range was very high. These two were green candles, so I did not make any entry. I thought of taking an entry. I planned to take an entry below this candle, below this 945 candle, low of 9. I wanted to sell Nifty below this candle, and I did the same. That got activated on a green candle. On this candle it got activated, not on this candle. This candle my trade got activated. That was a mistake which I did. So I got hit for a stop loss of 6 points and I lost in this trade. Now the next trade was to consider a buy option, a buy trade in Nifty. So for a buy trade on this candle, it's not advisable, and I don't take any trade on such a huge elephant candle. Then the next option is here when it broke S1. So even the range of this candle was too high, so I did not initiate any trade. And the next option was this. I missed a trade here. Then around this point I initiated a trade, and that trade will be explained to you now. Hi, welcome back guys. Now RBI monetary policy is out, and I think we should have a good entry to Nifty. Let's hope for a wonderful profit today. Now Nifty is trading at 17,570. It's bouncing back at S2. If it bounces back at S2 and if somehow it crosses above this line, then we can have one good buy trade. So this will be around 17,592. If market goes beyond 17,592, or there is another option to enter the market, it's here, 17,576 for 25 points. Minimum 20 points we can expect from here. 17,576. Let's hope for a good trade now. If a candle closes above 17,577, then we will have a good trade. Put option, we cannot expect any trade. If it's going above 92, call option above 92, we can have a good trade. $92 to 81, 9-point stop loss. I will buy above 92 for a stop loss of 81, 11 points. So total 22 points. So expecting a target of 112. $92 is active now. 92 is active. 92 is well active. My first target will be 92. I'm sorry, 102. My first target is 102. 92 is active and my first target will be 102. If by any chance this comes down below this, then I have to tell it as quits. Below 17,568. 17,568. Yes. 17,568. If the candle closes below 17,568, then I will say quits. Bought at 92. 17,500 call option, bought at 92, expecting a target of 102. Let's see at what time I will be able to achieve a target of 102. 112 is my second target. My first target will be 102. Now it is trading at 95, 96. Very shortly, my first target will be achieved. My first target will be achieved very shortly. Let me hope for a second target of 112. 102 is my first target and 112 will be my second target. One not two will be achieved very shortly. Market should tag 17,600 today. It will tag 17,600. $17,600 will be tagged today. Target of 17,600 will be tagged today. This is a very volatile market. Easy target of 102. 10 points is easy target to achieve. One not two will be achieved again. My first target is 102 and second target is 112. Let's hope for a first target of 102. Yes, 17,600 is not too far away. 17,600 will be tagged now. In quite some time from now, 17,600 will be tagged. 100. My first target is easy achievable. Easily achievable target is 102. I'm expecting a target of 112. Yes, 102, my target is achieved. My first target of 102 is achieved. I'm waiting for my second target, which is 112. 112 is my second target. Hope even my second target should be achieved very shortly. Let's hope for my second target to be achieved shortly. My first target is achieved, well achieved, my first target. If market tags 17,600, then it's very easy go for me of my second target 112. 17,600 is expected very shortly. As we see here, all the sectorial indices are in green. Sectorial indices are in green. Metal is very well trading above 1%. Media is trading above 1%. Today, it's very easy to achieve the target after RBI's monetary policy. My first target is achieved, 102. And second target will also be achieved very shortly. The reason why I took a trade, because it went above S3. I was about to take a trade above this candle high, but I took a trade here at this candle, at the candle 1055 high. On this 1055 high, on this candle, I took high. So my first target is achieved. Second target is 112. This 17,587. I'm expecting to tag at 17,600. I will exit when this candle tags 17,600. $17,590. Another 10 points. Just 10 points move. Today market will tag 17,600. It has to tag 17,600. $17,600 is an easy target to achieve. 17,600 is the round figure, so it has to tag 17,600. So my target of 112 will be achieved very shortly. Now it's trading at 105. 105. So 112 is my second target. 112 is my second target. Hope it should be achieved. The first target is achieved and my second target is 112. 112 is my second target. I'm trailing my stop loss at 92. I'm trailing my stop loss at 92. 92 is my entry. I'm trailing at 92. Trailing my stop loss at 92. I hope I have to exit now because the first this candle is closed red. So hopes I have no hopes of taking it. So I will exit at 100. I will exit at 100. 100 is my exit point now. I will be exiting all my lots at 100. I will exit at 100. 100. Yes, I quit. I quit the trade. So an easy target of 10 points from 92. I was expecting market to go till 112, which did not happen. So as there was the second candle which was in red, so that's the reason why I quit.